Hello, YouTube friends. Well, I have a Coach unboxing today. I'm so excited. I've really wanted to get back into Coach again. I miss them. And especially since I purchased my new vintage bag, I love the old Coach quality. And so I'm hoping this new bag will be something similar in quality. We will see. Nothing at Coach has made my heart sing at all in the last, I don't know, year or so. I haven't seen any designs that I really loved. And for some reason, the one that I really loved recently was from the Coach outlet, and that was the new large Rowan Satchel. And I love the color, that dark stone color. I thought it was so pretty. And I think it's Dazzle Me 77. Go check out her channel. I'll try and link it below if I remember. But she got one, and I just loved it. But then the practical side of me kicked in, and I thought, you know what, you have 3 Rowans and you don't use any of them. You're not going to use a bigger one. So I went looking for a similar type of bag in the dark stone on the Coach outlet, and I found this one. So I have just opened up the box right here, and it's funny, the package information, you know, when Coach outlet sends them out, they do UPS usually, and then it transfers to the post office. And UPS said it was going to do that this time, but my UPS central hub is just like down one big street from us. I mean, it's just down up the street. So a lot of times what they'll do is they'll say, hey, we'll be in your area. We decided we're going to deliver it for you anyhow. So that's what they did, which is great. I love that. But when I looked at the Postal Service site, because it did add in the Postal Service tracking, it said this was coming from Kate Spade, and I was like, what the heck? I didn't order anything. So just know Tapestry is the parent company of Kate Spade and Coach. So if you get something in the mail that says it's coming from Kate Spade and you know you ordered from Coach, that might be why. So I did not take it out of here yet. I just opened up the box. So let's see. This box is much nicer and sturdier than prior shipments through the years. I know that usually my Coach boxes were looking really horrible. So I've got some wrapping in here. And then here is the bag. I am so excited. Let me move this giant box. We do not need that. This is a fan, if you're wondering what this is. So here it is, all nicely wrapped. Love a good wrapped bag that has not been returned. And this is the new Coach Georgia, not Georgie. I have 2 Georgies. Now I have a Georgia. And this looked like the best bet for me because my complaint about the Rowan is it is too wide. So if you want to wear it as a crossbody, it just kind of is bulky on the side of your body. And I knew that the bigger size would be even worse. It seems like it's about the size of a Speedy 30, and that I just carry handheld anyhow. So I wanted something with a little narrower profile like this. That leather looks so pretty. Now it's supposed to be refined pebbled leather for this. And the Coach large Rowan says it's soft pebbled leather. This is really wrapped up nicely. Ooh. So here's the information from the tag. I hope you can see that. I cannot because my eyes are bad. But here's the tag, refined. Let me get my glasses. Okay. Hold on. Good grief. Horrible needing glasses. So it shows the comparable value is $378. I paid, I want to say $139 for this, I think. And that was another reason I chose this one. And here's the I Am Dark Stone. This is I Am stands for imitation gold. But one of the other reasons I chose this is because the large Rowan has gotten super popular, and now they've bumped the price up from what it was when it was first released. It was, I think, $175, and I was kind of balking at that being a outlet bag. And yeah, then it went up to $199, and I was like, no. So anyhow, let me take all the wrapping off, and I'll be right back. I got her all unwrapped, and I have to say, Coach has my heart again. The wrapping on this was beautiful. They had every last piece all wrapped up, and it is in perfect condition. It is a lightweight bag. I love that. And look how pretty the pebbled leather is. It looks like the polished pebbled leather from the retail to me, but it's called refined pebbled leather. But look at the sheen on it. It's just beautiful, and the dark stone is so pretty. So I would say it's a couple shades darker than their taupe, and a little bit less pink. So it's got a crossbody strap here, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes to adjust. It's got a nice tight fitting loop on the bottom, which is great. Really nice hardware on this. This one is gold, and that's another reason I wanted this over the gunmetal hardware on the other one, on the Rowan. I prefer my tote bags to have gold if I can. I know my Shea is taupe and it has the silver hardware, which is really pretty, but I want this one to have gold. And then this is just a little charm that I got from Amazon recently, and I wanted to just go ahead and put it on here. It's so cute with this little strawberry, but it's got the nice good sized hang tag. This is really pretty. The end of the zipper tape has a really pretty horse and carriage on it. Really nicely made. It does open up on the sides here, and it kind of reminds me design wise of the Cara, which is a retail bag, but the shape is different. The shape on the Cara is bigger at the top. This is bigger at the bottom. Got a nice zipper on the back. It has that cutting in that I hate, but that's okay, and it could easily fit a phone. And I'll show you what fits in here when I'm done. This one has a little blob of, see the little black spot there? Just a little edge coat got on it. That's okay, it's in the back, I don't care. Other than that, everything looks wonderful. Let me see if that'll rub off. I'm sure I can get that off of there. If not, it is on the back. It's just a little blob. And it's got a leather zipper pull. Let's see the bottom. No feet on this one. So let's get the measurements, and then we will look inside. It is really pretty. You've got the pin mount logo, which is so nice. Nice little chaps here. Nice round handles. Handles are just like the Rowan, almost exactly. So the widest point at the bottom here is 13 inches, and I believe the large Rowan is 11.5. So this is longer at the bottom. The height of this one is shorter though. It's 8 inches, and I believe the large Rowan was 9, if I remember correctly. And the depth of this one at the bottom is 5, and as you come up, it narrows to 3. So really pretty bag. I love it. I'm gonna definitely move into it now. So let's see what's inside. Not a lot of organization in this one. You just have a big brown area, the brown fabric. No logos on the fabric or anything. You've got the story patch on the back here. And this is the code CR158. It's our badge of authenticity. Few people may see it, but it will always be a reminder of our commitment to quality and craftsmanship. It's weird now when you go online to the Coach outlet how they have retail pieces, not just like reserve, but it's all kind of mixed. They're kind of mixing them now, so it's kind of interesting. And you've got a nice big pocket back here. You just have the care instructions, and that is it for back there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put my hang tag in the back pocket too. I don't know what the RFB stands for. To me, that sounds like refurbished, but it's obviously not. It's brand new. Refined pebbled leather, maybe? Georgie Satchel. Anyhow, right now I am in another Coach bag. I'm having a Coach moment, and this is my Dreamer shoulder bag from several years ago. I love this bag. It's so beautiful with the suede and the different kinds of leathers to it. I just love it. And then I put on this shoulder strap. This was from some other bag that I had. I can't even remember what one, but it goes so well that I just store it in this bag because I wear it as a shoulder bag. Beautiful. Look at that detail. It's a beautiful bag for winter. Love it. So I'm just gonna switch this out and see what fits. Now obviously I don't have a lot in this bag and I can fit a lot more in this one, but just to kind of give you an idea. So I've got my Heritage turn lock case here, and this has my hand sanitizer in it. This would also be a really nice color with this on the front. I like these two colors together. I think this was a melon or something. I think that's what it was called. Let me see what this looks like on here. That might look really good. Oh, that does look good. I like that color together. Ooh, pretty. Nice pop. And then I have my Dooney and Burke card holder, and this is, I believe the color is elephant. And I love this thing. It has a strap too, but I took it off for this bag. See, now you can see the difference in the color elephant to the dark stone. If you like Dooney bags, elephant is slightly grayer, but it's a similar tone and similar pebbled leather. So I'll put that in there. What else do I have? I have my keys. I'm going to put those in the pocket in the back here. My little pill case. Tissues will also go in the back pocket. Let's see what else I have. I didn't have a lot in this bag. I actually was using a swinger today. Got my little headphones and my gum. Those can also go in the back. I am nowhere near filling anything up. Let me see what else I have here. I know what I can put in here. You can put in Louis Vuitton Agenda PM, and this is in the Noir Epi Leather. Beautiful. This will very easily fit in there now that it's big bag season. So this is my old iPhone 6S Plus. I just want to see if it fits in the back pocket because it's about the size of my iPhone. Maybe it's a little wider with the case. Yep, look at that. You can have a big phone and it fits in the back there perfectly. And then I'll just throw in a glasses case, and you can see you could still probably put in 3 full-size wallets. Let me see if my iPad would fit. Let me just check. Looking for all this stuff that would fit. So here's my iPad. I believe this is an iPad Air, maybe. So there's that. Let me see if that... Look how nicely that fits. It fits in there. Hold on, let me try my MacBook. Just to see. Because it's not that much. Here's my MacBook Pro. I guess this would be too tall. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. Just for your knowledge. It looked like it might. It looks like there might be room in there. Okay, so I guess that's all I'm gonna stuff in there just to show you, but it has a ton of room. And I love that I can put my iPad in there because I use that every hour of every day practically, but I like these colors together. Don't you? I think that is so pretty, the melon with the dark stone. I'm going to have to find like a Twilly in my collection that has those colors. This thing always gets flipped around. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. And it brings out the brightness of the little strawberry. Super cute. So this bag is now very heavy with the iPad in there, but it is a lightweight bag. So depending on what you put inside, it's going to stay pretty light. With that out of there, yeah, it's pretty light. And it's a larger bag. I mean, it's a larger medium-sized bag, but it looks really looks nice. And so let me, I'll try and do some mod shots and add them to the end here. And then you can see what it looks like on. For reference, I'm 5'6", so I will not share my weight with you. But anyhow, I am really happy I got this one instead of the large Rowan. The large Rowan is a beautiful bag, but like I said, I already have 3 that I really don't use, so I knew that I would use this one a lot more, but I like it a lot. So I highly recommend this one. And again, this is the Coach Georgia Satchel, and it's available now at the Coach outlet. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.